This video will teach you how to move or drag a text box in Google Docs by inserting a Google drawing. Open your project in Google Docs. Go to Google Docs in your web browser. Click the Insert tab. Hover over Drawing and click New. A drawing window opens. Click the text box icon. Drag and drop to create the text box. Enter text into the box. Click the three-dot menu icon to see more options for formatting your text, like the color, size, and font style. Click Save and Close. Click the text box to select it. Once you select it, you'll see options at the bottom. Click the wrap or break text icons. These settings will make your box movable. Set a 0-inch margin. Click 1/8 inch margin to see a drop-down and select 0 inches. You can change the size of the text box by dragging and dropping a corner or edge. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.